Hey guys, and welcome to today's video on my favorite page style 15. And that's what my favorite page style number 15 looks like, and I really love this page style because it's very interactive. You have all these flaps and you could actually place a lot of smaller pictures on here in size 3x3, and then also for decorating it's just perfect to use your 3x3 journaling cards. And after scoring, we can just turn around our cardstock elements A, and then we fold them in the middle right at the scoring line on the back side. And after folding, I always like to get my bone folder again and burnish everything down. And now we can attach our pattern paper for the basic page onto our basic page. And when I attach my pattern paper onto my cardstock elements, I always prefer to use wet glue instead of tape, because by using wet glue, you are still able to move around your pattern paper until you find the right position and have an even border of cardstock around it. For the next step, we can now attach our cardstock elements A onto our basic page. And while I like using wet glue to attach pattern paper to cardstock, I always use my tape when I want to attach cardstock elements to another cardstock element. So you see me placing tape here on the back side of cardstock elements A. And then to attach my cardstock elements A onto my basic page, I actually got my scoreboard again, because what I want to do now is I place my basic page in the corner of the scoreboard, and then you see me using these space holders, and I actually just cut them out myself. So it's chippered, and I cut them in size half of an inch by, I think it's 8 inches. And then I just lay them in the corner as well, so that I could now place my cardstock elements and have an even border around them. And now I remove the tape backing from the first cardstock element A, and when I have removed it, I can just go ahead and place it right in the corner next to the space holders. And just make sure before that you have everything moved all the way into the corner, and then you can just attach cardstock element A. And then to attach the second cardstock element A, I just turn my basic page to the right, and then I again align my space holders in the corner, remove the tape backing, and just attach my second cardstock element A in the corner right next to the space holders. And always make sure you want to have the opening of the little booklet of cardstock element A to be in the middle. And then just repeat these steps for the last two cardstock elements A as well. And now we need to attach our magnets and our cardstock element B. So for this, I like to use these self-adhesive magnets, and first just leave them attached to each other, and then remove the tape backing from one of the magnets and attach it right in the middle of the basic page. So it's in the middle of all the cardstock elements A. And then remove the tape backing from the other magnet and get your cardstock element B and just attach it to the magnet in the middle of the page as well, so that it keeps close all the cardstock elements A. And now we can attach our pattern papers A onto our cardstock elements A. And for this, again, I use my wet glue so that I'm still able to move around my pattern paper until I find the right position. And that's it for today's video. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you did so, please give it a thumbs up and also leave your feedback in the comments down below. And then have a great day and see you in my next video. Bye!